Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check trending TikTok hashtags, and all you have to do is to launch the TikTok application. From here, you're going to tap on the search icon that is here at the top. Let's say I'm going to search for the BMW X6. From here, just here at the top, if you decide to scroll, we are going to see the hashtag options. And from there, we are going to be able to tap on it. So as you're here, you're going to see the trending hashtags, and in these trending hashtags, you can see the amount of posts that are in that hashtag. And you can use these hashtags to increase your followers or show them the BMW X6 that you've seen that you would like to share with other people, or you can use them to increase your account when it comes to followers and the amount of viewers that are there. So if we tapped on that BMW X6M, you can see that most of them do have a lot of likings. Like this one has a lot, even this one has a lot of likes. And this one, even though it's not that a lot, but some of them say that it is a lot. So scroll down again and you can see this one also has a lot of likes. Also, this one has a lot of likes. And hope that you did like the video. If you do have any questions, you can also ask. And I'll see you guys on the next video.